7 Secrets to Reclaim Self-Respect After a Toxic Breakup. Does it feel like they took the best parts of you and just left you with the ashes? That feeling of worthlessness after a toxic breakup is a prison. The person in the mirror is a stranger, and the silence is deafening. Today, I'm not just handing you the keys to break free. I'm giving you the blueprint to build a palace of self-respect so solid no one can ever tear it down again. Introduction. Getting out of a toxic relationship isn't a clean break. It's an emotional hurricane that shatters your confidence. I know this space well, not just as a coach, but as someone who has been there. It's disorienting, but it's also an opportunity to rebuild yourself, not as you were, but stronger and wiser. In this video, I'm sharing 7 powerful, actionable secrets to rebuild your self-respect from the ground up. These are the foundational strategies to create unshakable self-worth. If you're ready to stop feeling broken and start taking your power back, stay with me. Secret 1. The no-contact mandate and the velvet rope. The first secret is building a fortress around your healing heart. This begins with the no-contact mandate. Block their number, social media, everything. This isn't cruel to them. It's kind to asterisk yourself asterisk. You can't detox while still taking sips of poison, but this goes beyond your ex. It's time for a velvet rope policy for your life. You're the VIP, and not everyone gets access. You must become fiercely protective of your peace by setting firm boundaries. Start with simple I statements. Instead of, "You can't talk to me like that," try, "I won't continue a conversation when I feel disrespected." Then, state the consequence and follow through. If it continues, "I'm ending the call." Every time you enforce a boundary, you tell your subconscious, "I am worthy of protection." This is your first, non-negotiable brick. Secret 2. Rewriting your inner script with truths. A toxic relationship programs your inner voice with criticism and gaslighting. You start believing the lies, "I'm not good enough," or "it was all my fault." Secret number 2 is to systematically rewrite that script with the truth. This isn't just thinking positive. It's becoming a detective for the facts. Grab a journal. On one side, write a toxic belief, like, "I'm a failure because the relationship ended." On the other side, challenge it with facts. Did you fail, or was the dynamic unhealthy? Reframe it to something more accurate. The relationship ended, and that doesn't define my worth. Then, actively reprogram your mind with truths rooted in fact. Instead of a generic, "I am worthy," try, "I am worthy of kindness," starting with the kindness I give myself. Write these down. Say them out loud. You are literally forging new pathways in your brain, turning down the volume on the inner critic. Secret 3. The rebellion of radical self-compassion. Our instinct is often to be harsh, blaming ourselves for not seeing red flags or for staying too long. Secret number 3 is rebellion against that inner critic, radical self-compassion. It's treating yourself with the same kindness you'd give a dear friend. You wouldn't tell your heartbroken friend, "Well, you shouldn't have chosen them." You'd say, "You did the best you could with what you knew. You deserve better." Become that friend to yourself. When the pain bubbles up, take a self-compassion break. Pause, place a hand on your heart, and acknowledge the pain. This is a moment of suffering. Then, normalize it. Suffering is a part of being human. Finally, offer kindness. "May I be kind to myself." This simple practice stops the downward spiral of self-judgment. Being gentle with yourself isn't weakness, it's how you build the resilience to recover. Secret 4. Dropping the poison of blame. It's easy to get stuck on a hamster wheel of blame, either blaming them or yourself. Secret number 4 is to consciously drop it. Holding on to resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to get sick. It only hurts you. This doesn't mean you condone their behavior or even forgive them yet. It's about freeing yourself. To do this, shift from blame to a neutral, empowering statement. Instead of, "They did this to me," adopt this phrase: "This relationship was not working for me." This simple sentence validates your experience and puts the power back in your hands. It frames the breakup as a healthy choice, not a failure. For a powerful release, write a letter to your ex that you never send. Pour out all the anger and hurt. Then, end it with, "I release this blame to reclaim my peace," and safely destroy it. This closure is a gift to yourself. Secret 5. Reconnecting with your body and your joy. Toxic relationships wreak havoc on your nervous system, leaving you in a constant state of anxiety and exhaustion. Secret number 5 is to deliberately reconnect with your body and rediscover joy. Start with the non-negotiable basics: exercise, nourishing food, and good sleep. These regulate your mood and clear out stress hormones. Then, your mission is to find what makes you feel alive again outside of a relationship. What passions have been collecting dust? Painting, hiking, playing music? Make a list and do one of those things this week. The goal isn't performance. It's presence-finding moments where you're so absorbed you forget to feel sad. Ask yourself, what makes you laugh? Find it. Joy is a powerful antidote to despair, and it reminds you that your capacity for happiness exists entirely within you. Secret 6. Reclaiming your lost identity. A common feeling after a toxic relationship is not knowing who you are anymore. You likely silenced your own needs to keep the peace. Secret number 6 is about the exciting work of reclaiming and reinventing yourself. First, reconnect with friends and family who knew you before and who see your worth. Toxic partners often isolate you, so hearing from your people can feel like coming home to yourself. Next, get curious. Treat yourself like a fascinating new person. Journal about your core values. What truly matters to you? What are you passionate about? What are your strengths? You're not just finding your old self. You're realigning your life with what is authentically you. Every action you take that lines up with your true values reinforces your new, stronger identity. You're meeting the person this painful experience has given you the chance to become. Secret 7. Assembling your professional healing team. While you are incredibly strong, you don't have to do this alone. The final secret is knowing when to call in the experts. Seeking professional help is one of the greatest acts of self-respect you can perform. A good therapist gives you tools and a safe space to process the complex trauma of a toxic relationship in a way friends simply can. They can help you understand and break trauma bonds, those confusing attachments that keep you psychologically tied to an unhealthy partner. Think of a therapist as a specialized guide on your healing team. Seeking support isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you value your well-being enough to invest in it. It's a powerful declaration that you're committed to not just surviving, but thriving. Conclusion: reclaiming your self-respect is a journey home to yourself. Let's recap the 7 secrets. Build your fortress with no contact. Rewrite your inner script with truth. Practice radical self-compassion. Drop the poison of blame. Reconnect with your body and joy, reclaim your identity, and assemble your professional healing team. This process takes time, so be patient. There is a version of you on the other side of this pain who is confident, whole, and unshakable. You survived the storm. Now it's time to rebuild. If this resonated with you, please give the video a and subscribe for more content on healing and self-worth. You are not on this journey alone. In the comments below, share which of these 7 secrets you're going to start with. Sharing your intention is a powerful first step. Thank you for being here and for taking this brave step for yourself.